Welcome back to Straight Yard TV, guys. Today, I have something special for you guys. I'm going to make some cow foot and some butter bean. Okay? So here we have 4 pounds of burnt. They're roast already, guys. These are the roast ones. These are the best ones. They're burnt. I'm going to cook them down with some broad bean. You know it go. Sunday dinner style. That kind of way we're going to cook it to plates. So what we are going to do? We'll go ahead and wash him off. Put a little seasoning on him. And then we just put him down a little bit. Go and soak with her. You need to soak me down piece because this will take a lot of boiling. This is something that take a lot of time to cook. Okay? So then the nice, pretty, decent, well roast and looking good. Okay? So we have to drop the vinegar upon him, rinse him off, and then we have to season him up. And you know how it goes with peeps. So stay tuned, watch the video to the end. And guys, remember to like, share, and comment. And guys, please to turn on the notification bell so each time I drop the video, you get the new video, guys. And like the video, guys. Like. Rinse him off, you know. Go vinegar, yeah. Now I have to wash off and meat them in my peeps. Wash them off properly. So we deal with me. I want all of the water to go, my peeps. Now season meat, you don't need no water. You don't need no water anyway. So there you go. That is it. They look nice. So we're going to drop some seasoning on here, my peeps. Going with a little of Miss Maggie. Now how it go. Little of my complete. Now we can't let a good old slap your mama. Drop a little garlic powder. Little onion powder. And you know it go. Good old black pepper, people. Good old black pepper. In there. Basically, that's what we're doing. So what we are going to do, some onion and my peeps, we're putting pan in. Now go already. We're going to season up back again in the peeps on it. You know it will take a long time to cook. So we have to go back and pre-season him again when he almost done cook. Because you know it will take a lot of water. So we have to just add water until it's cooked. Okay? I want to cow foot this and it's really tough. Take a lot of time. Some people pressure it, but I don't have the time for pressure it right now. And I don't like pressure my meat either. We have some escallion here. Green onion. Otherwise, drop them on it. Can't do it without the good old cock on it. You have to drop one little piece on it, you know it go. Give it a good kick, my peeps. Alright, so I need a piece of time, my peeps. No, we can't leave out the good old garlics, no, my peeps. Garlics have to make it cook fast, tenderize the meat. You understand? With flavor also. If you have a young papaya, you could have put it on it to tenderize meat, people. Make it cook fast. The young papaya. Yeah, you know them style, eh? You can put a piece of ice in the pot. Tenderize it real fast. So we are going with 3 peg of garlic. You know, we can't leave out the garlic, you know. No garlic, no cooking. Going with this time. Now go already. Make it taste fine. Yeah, my peeps, when I cut up them time, I'm just a bust them not too like that. Because I don't like when the sticks get away from you and you're eating and you're biting sticks. So generally I always take them out after I finish cook. I will just take them out, throw them out right after. Okay? Same thing. I will just scrape off all the leaves and leave the throw away the roots. But what we are doing, I know it might cook a long time, so don't worry. It's gonna take time to cook, my peeps. I'm gonna drop some brown in now. Now it go. Give them some color. Right. That we are deal with. Now we are going. I mix them up, my peeps. You know, mixing up. See? All of them are get color already. Right amount of browning. Guys, you have to know to use browning. Browning will make your pot bitter. You don't need a lot of browning in your food, in your meat kind, when you cook your meat. Okay? Better you add more than you have too much. So they look nice and decent, you know, my people. See them there? Everything looking good. See there? Yeah, that is it. So we are going to do, wash off with hand, cover that up, and let it tip down a little bit, my people. So stay tuned, watch the video to the end, guys. This one is going to be so nice. One love. Cheers, yeah. Okay, my people, so we're going to cook this cow foot here now. Well seasoned. So we have some oil in the pot. Go ahead and put 2 little bits of garlic in the oil. Go already, season up the oil a little bit. So guys, here's the cow foot. Well soaked, well seasoned. So we'll go ahead and put in right there like that. All the season, everything. Give me one stir. And then guys, we have to put some water on him and cook him, because it's going to take long to cook. So I cook him up a little bit in the oil. And then we're going to add water. So this thing going to take a lot of time. So we're going to have to slow cook it, guys. Too much. So we have to steam him out a little bit first, guys. So let him stay there if I do the work. And then we're going to add some water. So stay tuned and watch the video. Okay, my peeps. Look in there. Same look. We start with a little juice already. Just browning up a little bit in the oil. In the little baby oil. Not a lot of oil, no, guys. Just a little drop. In there. So we'll make it steam out just a little bit more. And then we're going to add the water. Okay? So stay tuned for that. Okay. So you see Magwan good, my people. Very good. In there. Very good. That's what we're looking for. So now, we're going to go ahead and add some boiling water. Guys, cold water slow down the cooking process. So always have boiling water at hand when you're cooking meat. Because each time you put cold water, you only slow it down and make it tougher, harder to cook. Okay? That's the next tip, so guys gotta know. Right, see them now? Looking nice. Yeah, that is it. See there? Alright, so we're making cook now. Pan slow cook. Because you know we're going to take a long time to cook. So we're going to have him pan like 6. Okay, my people. Let's give it a one stir, you know. See how far it reach. Coming on nicely. See them start leave the bone already, guys. I know them cooking. Getting there. We're getting there. We need a lot more cooking, but we're getting there. Soon finish. So when I leave the bone like that, you know this will cook. See the guys looking nice. Okay. So we'll cover it up and make it go and cook some more. Cook to perfection. We don't need nothing tough. We need soft, nice cow foot. Okay? So, yeah, coming on nicely, guys. Alright, getting soft. I'm gonna drop a little soy sauce, guys. Just a little bit. Flavor and some more color. And I'm gonna put a little bit more brown in. Don't want it to be black, guys. You want it to have color, but not black. You have to know how to use browning, guys. It will make your pot bitter. Okay, that's the color we're looking for. Yeah, that's the color, okay? See, that color. Alright, so we're going to cover him up and we can go and cook. Let the fire do the work. Okay? Stay tuned. Okay, looking good. Looking good. See that?
My cat is obsessed with light. Our top 7 answers. Go.
I want to see how far it reached, so I'm gonna try to taste one little piece. I'll cook more. Yeah, still wanna cook more. Want to see it don't wanna cut so easily, you know it won't. I don't want my meat tough, you know, guys. I like my meat soft. It's getting there. Here's a little piece of hot. What I'm trying to do is step out most of the bone and holding up space in the pot lane. Good. Alright, so I still need to cook more. So we have to add some more water. We can go and take time cook. Let me test a little bit. Soften. Sauce is a shame. Still want to cook, okay? So we're going to continue cooking. Continue cooking until it gets soft. See that? Still want to cook some more. So I take with time and cook it some more. Okay, cow is getting nice and soft. Just a little bit more. And we're gonna season him over, guys, because you know we add a lot of water to it. So it take away all that season. So when we almost finish cooking it, we're gonna re-season it back over, guys. And touch it back down, make some nice gravy. Okay? Stay tuned for that. Nice. Okay, so right now, people, it cooked. So we have to season him back over now and touch him down. So here we are going. We have to get some season and some earth season and the butter bean and touch him down. So watch out what going on, people. Watch what going on. Now we have to season up the pot. This is the nice part of it, guys. Stay tuned. Okay, my beautiful people. Now the cow foot is cooked. So we have to season it up now. Line it up now. We'll add some tomato, onion, scallion, thyme, garlic. And season up pot now. The flavor, okay? Cow foot then, them peeps. Nice. Go ahead, drop in the bean. But first, I'm gonna strain off this water, guys. I don't use it. Then we just going to add the bean in. Alright, so that is it. We are gonna touch it now. And then we finish. Finish cooking, guys. Right, my people. That is it. So cook down the bean now. Down the vegetable here. And then we're done cook. Done. See that? Nice. This is what we're talking about. Need some ketchup. Oh yeah, we're going with some ketchup, my people. Right here now. Some ketchup. The final touch on my peeps. Final touch. Pasta. Yeah. This is it. That is it, my peeps. Wonderful. Give me one taste, I know. That's wine low. That is it. So we're going to bring this down a little bit more. And then we finish, guys. Complete finish. So stay tuned. Watch for that. Okay, my people. Now we are come to the end of the cow foot. See them there? You see how nice. Very soft. Okay, my peeps. This is it. See that? Nice. So what me I gonna do? I'm going to match up a little rice and peas with it, guys. Match up a little rice and peas. Yeah. That is it. So we'll turn off fire now. We're done cook. We finish, guys. We finish. The end result of the cow foot. Nice. We're digging it for you guys. Really nice with the rice. The cow foot, guys. Soft. Alright, guys. So remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe. And leave the comment down there, guys. I read them and let you know what's going on, okay? We're gonna dig in this. Finish up on dinner. So take care. Straight TV out.